Welcome crypto market fam, get ready for some exciting updates in the world of crypto. Here are the highlights that you don't want to miss. Ripple has partnered with ACI Worldwide, Volante Technologies, and Finastra to develop the US Federal Reserve's instant payment system, FedNow. Cloud payment leader Volante Technologies has successfully piloted the system with a prominent custodian bank, testing the send, receive, and bank-to-bank transfer features. The FedNow network is set to premiere on July 20th, 2023, and financial institutions can test their connectivity ability to the FedNow network with Volante. The US Federal Reserve has released a list of 57 financial firms allowed to use the FedNow instant payment system for a start, including JPMorgan Chase, Wells Fargo, US Bancorp, and Bank of New York Mellon. Some in the crypto community believe that the network might benefit Ripple's XRP. In the UK, lawmakers are moving forward with legislation aimed at expanding authorities' ability to target cryptocurrencies used for illicit purposes. The Economic Crime and Corporate Transparency Bill includes provisions amending existing frameworks to allow authorities greater flexibility in the confiscation and civil recovery of crypto assets. The legislation also clarifies the government's authority over digital assets intended to be used for the purposes of terrorism or related reasons. Meanwhile, financial regulators in Denmark are coming after cryptocurrency service providers. The Danish Financial Supervisory Authority has ordered local investment bank Saxo Bank to dispose of its own holdings in crypto. The regulator stated that Saxo Bank's crypto activity lies outside of the legal business area of financial institutions, citing Section 24 of Denmark's Financial Business Act. That's it for today's updates. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video for more exciting updates in the world of crypto. Thanks for watching.